Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike, and today we have that Christmas LED light up painting. Now here's an example of a seller that does care about their packaging because they've very kindly put it in cardboard, unlike the previous one which was a bin bag. And in here, this video is dedicated to Pamela, which is Majestic, and Majestic loves Christmas. Now Pam is the lady that very kindly sent me that group painting and the other bits and pieces. Now there's so much sellotape on this. Now this seller very kindly, I said, would it be okay if you reserve it for me, and yeah, they very kindly reserved it. So I've also, I've just picked up my Temu stuff as well, so it's all sort of come all at the same time. Right, we're going to have to make an incision into this. Wow, lots of bubble wrap, lovely. Might as well take my bubble wrap back to Poundland to get refunds and just use this. Okay, lovely. So, let's go. I think what we'll do is, rather than cut all this off, we'll just cut this bit here and just loop it out the end, because I can't be bothered with all this extra padding. Okay, right. And here it is, guys. Can you see what it is? It's centre. Look at this. I've been after this one for quite a while. But this isn't. I think Jenny's got this. This is. Look at this. LED light up Santa Claus. I've never had an LED one. I think what will light up, because I was like, where does it light up? And I think it was the balls, but it's actually stars round it. So the balance of that white light will reflect off his beard. But look at that. Oh my god. So yeah, that's what it's going to look like. So what do you think, Majestic? Because I know you love Christmas. And yeah, in here, they said it was new, so I'm hoping it is new. Yeah, it is good. Okay, cool. So I'm super excited, so I just want to turn this over a minute. Oh yeah, look at that. It is a little bit pixelated, to be fair. This is sort of like the old style of diamond painting. If we look at a new painting, you can see that's a little bit more clearer than that. So it is quite an oldish one, I would imagine. The only other one I'm after is that Big Ben one. I would love to get that. So yeah, I'm supposed to be over in Witten because I've got a party to attend to. It's one of my relations' birthday, but I've had to do this and get a later train because otherwise, if I leave it 2 days, Vinted will release it automatically, and I need to quality control check it first. So that would be a disaster, like if you forgot to check it and then there was something wrong with it, you can't get your money back. So right, so let's see if the battery works. If the battery's working, and oh, I saw a bit of, yeah, it is working. As you can see, it's flashing, but it's obviously very early in the day. It's only 11:28 on a Saturday morning, so we'll have to leave that for now. But in the dark, once it's done, I'll do it. Beautiful stick. Yeah, fabulous. But look at that. I'm sure Jenny's got this. I'm bloody sure of it. But yeah, I thought, oh, that's lovely. And then we got this one here. And this is our bags, pen, wax and tray. And then we've got this one, which is a white, a purple, a pink, a peach, a blue, lilac, an orange, a blue. And we've got an orange, a purple. God, there's lots of purple considering it's supposed to be well, this could be a light blue. And then we've got a vanilla, orange, a couple of orange, a red, an orange, pink colour, a purple, a peach, a pink, 2 blues and a purple. So there we go. What do you think of that, Majestic? Isn't it bloody gorge? It's lovely, isn't it? So this is going to be a really lovely Christmassy one, because I don't think I've ever had an LED light up Christmas one before, but yeah, we've got Santa in the middle of bloody May. And Christmas shopping already. I didn't intentionally plan to buy a Christmas thing, but it popped up because every so often I'll put in the search bar and I'll put LED, well, it's actually called LED light up crystal canvases, and I'll just see which ones pop up, and if I like it, I get it. But just be mindful, I don't keep the boxes for mine because they take up too much room. But if you are going to store these, just be careful of these little pin pricks here, because these little light things, they're quite pointed out of the canvas and they can easily get damaged. So that's the crucial part in these, the lights. If you break the lights, it's pointless. Some people do actually have it where they don't have lights on, they keep it completely off, and they mod it in a way where they take the back off and take the wires out and just have it as like, you know, like these ones where it's like a ball behind it, so it can easily be modded. Overall, I really like that. So please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.